You searched how to buy shares of Cibus Nordic Real Estate AB publ. This short video walks through the practical steps. Cibus Nordic Real Estate AB publ is a Nordic real estate company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker CIBUS.ST, and this guide is educational, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify the account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker CIBUS.ST to find the listing. Select the matching Cibus Nordic Real Estate AB publ result to open the asset page. On the asset page, review the company information and view the price chart to check recent activity. Confirm the company name and ticker CIBUS.ST to ensure it is the correct stock. Press the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow the same steps.